Hi class, welcome to the start of your last week. The first thing that I need to clarify is that there is nothing that you're turning in this week. You should have your internet safety presentation complete because this week you will be presenting that or teaching that lesson using your presentation to a student or a parent, and that person cannot be a roommate. So just make sure that you've done all these things already this week. It's just to keep you on track. This is a little description of what should be included. And then it does say down here that you will be right here. Be sharing it with a youth or a parent. Also this week you have a video reflection. I know it's been a while since you've had those. I decided to not include those during your practicum time. So if you'll just go to the video reflections page, you'll notice that there are two options. Well, actually there's one option for this week, or one requirement for this week. That prompt is based on, I'm really interested in hearing what your experience has been with this blended learning model. And then if you are behind, or if you missed some video reflections in the past, you can choose from these two options down here as an extra, and that will take care of one of your missed reflections. If you're missing more than one from the past, don't expect to get those points back, but really it's not going to do a whole lot to your grade. You can email me if you have major concerns regarding that. Also, just while we're on this note, if you'll please go and look at your grades and just make sure that you've resubmitted assignments that need resubmission, or that you've submitted all of the assignments. There are only a few of you who I am concerned about some of your submissions, and I have emailed you. Just so you know, next week in class, it is mandatory that you come. We're going to go over internet safety and learn about each other's experiences. Then we're going to talk about just takeaways from the class, talking about the 3 E's, as well as technology, well, in relation to technology integration. We're also going to do small group presentations, so you'll be presenting on the presentation that you put together for your practicum experience, and then you'll be taking a final class assessment. It's not something that you can necessarily study for, but we will be reviewing before you take that. So I look forward to seeing you at noon next Tuesday, and please email me if you have any questions.